General elections were held in Serbia on 3 April 2022 to elect both the president and members of the National Assembly. Initially, parliamentary elections were scheduled to be held in 2024. However, in October 2020 President Aleksandar Vučić stated that snap parliamentary elections would be held in or before April 2022. In addition to the general elections, local elections were held simultaneously in 12 municipalities and 2 cities, including Belgrade. The Serbian Progressive Party came to power in 2012 after forming a government with the Socialist Party of Serbia. They managed to win a supermajority of seats following the 2020 parliamentary election, which was boycotted by majority of parties, which stated that the conditions weren't free and fair. Vučić, who was elected president in 2017, faced mass protests during his first term, most notably during 2018-2020 and in July 2020. Vučić also oversaw the inter-party dialogues regarding electoral conditions which took place in 2021, while the agreement regarding the conditions between government and opposition parties was reached in October 2021. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.